अमरीकी नायब सदर जेडी वेंस ने 1.5 सफ़े पर मुश्तमिल अमरीका ईरान मुफाहमत की याददाश्त को आम दस्तावेज करार दे दिया और कहा इतवार को डील पर डिजिटल दस्तखत हो गए। ईरान की जानिब से स्पीकर बाकर कालिबाफ और अमरीका की जानिब से सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने दस्तखत किए। उन्होंने इम्कान जाहिर किया कि ट्रंप जुम्मे से पहले ही MOU का मुसव्वदा जारी कर सकते हैं।
The core parts of the agreement is that the IAEA and the United States are going to help Iran destroy the highly enriched stockpile, and that's something that's spelled out very clearly in the MOU. Now, here's an interesting just structural point I think about this that's important for the American people to understand is there are a lot of contemplated benefits in this MOU for the Iranians. There's a complete transformation of their economy, there's sanctions relief, but all of these benefits only happen if the Iranians comply with their end of the bargain. They commit long-term to a verifiable pathway to where they're not going to have a nuclear weapon. They actually promote regional stability rather than funding regional terrorism. All these things happen, the Iranians get a lot of benefits out of this negotiation. But if none of those things happen, then the Iranians don't get any of those benefits.